Did you know that Apple's M1 chip has up to 3.5 times faster CPU performance than the previous Intel models? That's a game changer for everything from gaming to professional editing. Apple's silicon chips have been making waves in the tech industry, and for good reason. They're the brainchild behind many of Apple's latest devices, from MacBooks to iPads. These chips are designed to provide a seamless user experience, with a focus on speed, efficiency, and security. The significance of Apple's silicon chips can't be overstated. They're a key factor in Apple's devices being able to perform complex tasks with ease, whether it's editing 4K videos or playing graphics-intensive games. And with each new iteration, Apple continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. So, what makes these chips so special? Let's take a closer look. Apple's silicon chips are built on a system-on-a-chip architecture, which integrates all the necessary components, like CPU, GPU, and memory, onto a single chip. This approach allows for faster data transfer, lower power consumption, and a smaller footprint. In 2020, Apple announced its plans to transition from Intel processors to its own silicon chips, a move that marked a significant shift in the company's strategy. This change was driven by a desire for greater control over the design and performance of its devices, as well as a need to reduce dependence on Intel. One of the main motivations behind this transition was the growing importance of artificial intelligence and machine learning in modern computing. Apple's silicon chips are designed to excel in these areas, with a focus on neural engine processing and optimized performance. The M1 chip, Apple's first foray into silicon, was a major breakthrough. It featured an 8-core CPU, a 7-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine, all built on a 5-nanometer process. This resulted in significant performance gains and power efficiency improvements. But what about the M2 chip? Building on the success of the M1, the M2 chip takes things to the next level with an 8-core CPU, a 10-core GPU, and an even more powerful neural engine. It's a powerhouse of a chip that's capable of handling even the most demanding tasks. The M2 chip's architecture is designed to provide a balance between performance and efficiency. It features a high-performance core for demanding tasks and a high-efficiency core for lighter workloads. This approach allows for a significant boost in performance while keeping power consumption in check. One of the most impressive aspects of Apple's silicon chips is their energy efficiency. By optimizing the design and manufacturing process, Apple has been able to create chips that provide incredible performance while consuming less power. So, what does this mean for users? In real-world applications, the M1 and M2 chips deliver a seamless experience, whether you're browsing the web, streaming video, or working on complex projects. They're also designed to handle demanding tasks like video editing and 3D modeling with ease. The impact on the competition can't be ignored either. With Apple's silicon chips setting a new standard for performance and efficiency, other manufacturers are being forced to up their game. This competition will drive innovation and lead to even better devices for consumers. According to Apple executives, the company's focus on silicon innovation is driven by a desire to create devices that are both powerful and intuitive. As they continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we can expect to see even more impressive advancements in the future. Industry experts agree that Apple's silicon chips are a game changer for the industry. By integrating CPU, GPU, and neural engine processing onto a single chip, Apple has created a platform that's capable of handling a wide range of tasks. As we look to the future, it's clear that Apple's silicon chips will play a major role in shaping the world of computing. With their focus on performance, efficiency, and security, these chips are poised to drive innovation and push the boundaries of what's possible. What do you think about Apple's silicon chips? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about tech innovations, be sure to check out our next video on the latest advancements in AI.